Welcome everybody. Today we are going to talk about a Cornell and Diehl blend, and it is part of their Sea Scoundrel series. And this is Privateer. Nice artwork. This was before the warning labels, but I managed to have it before the warning labels. So this is Virginias, bright Virginias. We have a little bit of Burley in here. We have a little bit of Black Cavendish, and we have a touch of Latakia. Latakia is in the background. It's very, very light. It's a condiment in this blend. So this isn't a lap bomb. It's one of those blends where they put a very little bit Latakia in there just to round things off. And that's exactly what this is. And there's very few blends that have that. Mark Ryan has a blend that's actually very good. Actually has a Perique blend that's very good. But this is what it looks like. So you can see we got the ribbon cut, confetti cut, Burley, Virginia. And then we got these big dark pieces of Cavendish in here. It's very hard to, you can see what kind of the cut is pretty much, I call it a hot mess because I don't like confetti cut because it burns hot. It's all about adjusting how to smoke. And I have this in a bigger pipe, but I don't. Cuts like that's good for small pipes. But then you got these big chunks of Black Cavendish thrown in there. I'm like, okay, how do you pack a small pipe with this? So it's kind of defeating the purpose. Those little Black Cavendish pieces have to be the same cut up like that, or but to their defense, they're going to say, well, it's a different smoke every time. They'll come up with something, and and that's okay. That's fine. And again, this is all subjective because these are opinion. This is all opinion based. So, and my opinion is they should have left the old cut, but I'm not in that business. What do I know? I'm just the end user. But I do like the fact that it has that little bit of Latakia in there to round things off. The Virginia's is basically a Virginia Burley blend. Okay, the Black Cavendish is thrown in there to get a little sweetness out of it, to round that part of it off. And the Latakia really brings a boldness to it, not a smokiness. There's not enough for it in there. It's more of a boldness to it. So it's a little bit bold, sweetened Virginia Burley mix. I mean, it tastes half decent. It really does. This could be an all-day smoker. Long as you know how to smoke confetti cut. When you're used to smoking flakes and ready rubbed, this is a different animal here because this burns a whole heck of a lot quicker. So you have to be careful, or you're going to have that runaway pipe on you, and then you're going to have tongue damage. So this is Privateer by Cornell and Diehl, part of their Pirate series, their Sea Scoundrel series, they call it. All right, until next time, have a good one.